I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for IELTS. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including the 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Knowing the scoring system will help you understand what examiners look for. Next, develop a 2-month study plan, dedicating specific days to each skill. Finally, assess your current English level through a diagnostic test to pinpoint areas needing the most improvement. This foundational work is crucial for effective preparation. For listening, immerse yourself in English audio like podcasts, news, and documentaries for at least 30 minutes daily. Focus on understanding accents and identifying key information. To boost reading, tackle academic articles and journals, practicing skimming for main ideas and scanning for details. For writing, practice both Task 1 and Task 2 essays regularly, aiming for clear structure and coherent arguments. Seek feedback to refine your grammar and vocabulary. Consistent practice is key. Use official IELTS preparation books and online resources to access authentic practice questions. When taking mock tests, simulate actual exam conditions as closely as possible, including time limits and a quiet environment. This helps build stamina and manage your time efficiently on test day. After each practice, meticulously review your answers, especially incorrect ones, to learn from your errors and strengthen weak points. In the final weeks, prioritize speaking practice. Engage in daily conversations, perhaps with a study partner or tutor, to enhance fluency and pronunciation. Record yourself to identify areas for improvement. Ensure you maintain a balanced lifestyle, getting enough sleep and eating nutritious meals to stay sharp. On exam day, arrive early, stay calm, and trust your preparation. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo.Smart speaker and other great deals. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.